All right, how you guys doing today? So we are at the end of the year already, right? So this is almost end of October. So you have only November and December. So the year is gone. And so how did you do so well in your online business? I hope your business went well, right? Uh, but let me tell you something. As we go into these last few months, this is the month where so many people are going to be involved in, different planning for activities, right? They are going to be planning their vacations. They are going to be planning for the Christmas festivities. So a lot of people are going to be saving money, right? And they are going to be borrowing a lot of money too, right? Those who couldn't save enough for vacations, they are going to be borrowing. So a lot of people are going to have a lot of financial challenges in the January time. And that's why you yourself, as a business person, you have to understand these things, right? These are the times people are going to be saving money or borrowing money, trying to, enjoy the festivities of the end of the year, right? They are going to be taking their families out on vacation. They are going to be having fun. But you know how it's going to end, right? They are all going to be in debt by the time the new year comes on. It happens to almost everyone, right? Now, so when they come back, they are now going to be looking for an online business or a way to make extra money. That's just what's going to happen in the new year. They are going to be looking for an online business. So that's why if you have an online business right now, this is the best time to promote your online business. Of course, there's not going to be a lot of activities, right? Because many people right now are not focused on starting their businesses. They are more focused on how they are going to enjoy their end of year festivities, right? So, but we as marketers with our own online business, this is the time for us to promote your business, because you want to get the few customers that are available right now. Okay. And you want your business to be in front of them right now, because when they come back from all this enjoyment, they'll be needing a business, and you want to make sure your own is the one they are going to join with, right? That's just where I'm going with these things. So now, the best business I found is an affiliate marketing business. In fact, is an online store system. We call it an affiliate online store system. Now, where did this idea come from? This idea comes from Amazon, right? Like, Amazon is an online store with multiple products, okay? And when people go on Amazon and they buy anything, they buy multiple products. Now, when you look at this, my store here, mine is different from Amazon, right? But you can still see that I have all the products out there. You see that? Now, these products are softwares, marketing systems, apps, and then coaching programs, right? Now, this may not be product for Christmas, but these are products that marketers need to build their business, right? And you can see all the products, over 20 of them. Now, all I do is I promote my online store. That's all I do, right? I don't do any other thing. When I promote my store and people come to my store and then they start buying product, and I tell you they buy more than one, right? Because that's why you get an online store, okay? So that they can see other options that they need. And when you look here, you will see that at the top somewhere, let's click, oops, sorry. Oh my God, what did I do? I've messed up a lot of things here. Let me go back. All right, so I'm back. So when I click on this place and I click on commissions, all right, so can you see that? Already from my store, just like you're seeing, I've already made over $10,319. So I keep getting all these sales and keep making all this money. You can even come all the way here, and then these are sales, right? I don't know whether you can see them, but these are sales that I'm getting from the store. You know, that's the beauty of having an online store, right? And luckily for us, we have Amazon there to show us how these things are done. Now, with Amazon, mostly they are physical products. Now, as a beginner, you don't want to deal with physical products, right? Because physical products they have to be created, they have to be shipped out, you know, then there's a lot of problems on shipping and refund. You don't want to be dealing with things like that, right? You want something easy. You want something that is already done for you. And that is what the MegaLink online store is all about. It's already done for me, right? I don't have to buy products. I don't have to install products. I don't have to do anything. All I just do is I just promote my mega link. That's all I do, right? And I think that's the best way of making money online, where you don't want to focus on all the technicalities. It takes a lot of time. I remember in those days, if I had to get an online store, I have to, you know, go and buy domain, buy hosting, buy this, buy that, buy those. Now it's so simple, right? All those things are already done for me. All I do is I just get the mega link, right? And it's just $7. So now starting an online business is the cost is so low. I've never seen anything like that. With just $7, you are in business. That's the cost of a cup of coffee, right? But like you can see, with just $7, I've already made over $10,000. Because everybody likes to buy things online, right? Look, if you want to get your own Mega Link online store right now, which is very, very simple, what you want to do, go to the link in the description above, or just go to my profile, okay? Click that link, put in your name and your email. It will take you to the Mega Link website, and you just pay $7, and you now have your own store. Right? That's so simple. Now, a lot of people ask me, but Victor, how do I promote my store? Just like you, right? It's very simple. Everything right now is so easy. Now, how do you promote your MegaLink online store? Very simple. It's what we call simple copy and paste free ads, right? So you copy and paste ads from the mega link. They are just pictures, right? You copy and paste pictures, images on your Facebook profile or on Facebook groups, right? Let's say you don't have a lot of friends on Facebook. You can now go to the groups, which is free, and you just post these images about the mega link. That's all. And that's what we do. That's what I do. That's what everybody does, right? We just post images about the mega link. We get a lot of attention of people to our store. And that's all, you know, because the mega link online store is an automated system. So they do all the follow-up for you. So you don't have to get an autoresponder. You don't need to get all these things. No, they do all the follow-up for you. They follow up with your lead, and they close the sales for you. And then, like you know, right? Once they close those sales and you make commissions, you earn the commissions. That's why you see from my own side, where is that again? Look at that. You can see from me, I've already made over $10,319 as of today. This is powerful, right? And this is why everybody needs an online store. So if you are ready, it's simple. Go to the link in the description or in the profile. Get your own online store. It's just $7. Now start promoting your store. getting people's attention, and then start seeing people, start buying products from your store, guys. Well, I'm not going to waste your time anymore. If you have any question about the MegaLink online store, about how to promote it or whatever you can privately DM me and we talk about it, okay? And look, quickly, I want you to like this video and share the video so that more people can see that they can start an online business with just a $7 cost of a cup of coffee, right? So that's amazing. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.